B2B marketing as I do today.
B2B MX is where all of the B2B marketers, enterprise to medium to small businesses come to learn about the latest technology in the space, the best practices.
The opportunity to come in person and learn and hear from other people that are doing really cool things and hear from the vendors that are accelerating our industry.
And if they kind of take this idea of their taste, what they love to do and what their craft is, and combine that with curiosity, there's almost kind of endless potential of what they can accomplish.
What can we do to make you 1%, 5%, 10% smarter, more efficient, more effective at what you do?
When you come to an in-person event like this, you get to meet your peers, you get to hear about how they're solving the same challenges, and you get to learn from each other with those raw, honest conversations.
Inspire some of that passion around marketing.
It's really trying to take that step away from what you expect from a B2B conference, right?